Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we've got a really new and exciting option for you. This is the hitch-mounted multi-lift for boat access and marine access. So we'll show you a little bit of the mechanism here. So a lot of times when you really need to transfer into a boat, you may not know what boat it's going to be in, okay? Typical would be a trailer mount or a deck mount, but here, when you don't know what kind of boat, what boat you're going into or what trailer it's going to be, we have the hitch mounted option, which is a really cool setup. This is a very strong setup, goes into a class 3 hitch right here. We probably could do class 4 as well. You've got these outriggers right here that actually are going to be able to go up and down, and we'll show you that in just a moment. But this allows you to be able to get a very, very solid setup. Here we can do weight capacities up to 350 and possibly beyond. This shown right here is a heavy duty lift. That just happens to be the lift that we're using for this application. But it can also be a regular duty lift to go up to 275 pounds. So again, we have the multi-lift system with the hitch mount, and we're going to show you how to pick a person up and get them into a boat. Right? So first thing we're going to do is lower the unit right down. First we hook up the legs. Now we've got all kinds of different slings as well. Okay. So we're going to lift and turn, bring the person right inside. So once we're up off the wheelchair, circle around this way, walk up into the boat. Of course, you could have a second person up on top, but that may not be your situation. So we continue to move upward. Once we've cleared the deck, swim deck, etc., over we go. Pick the legs up, right over the seat. We're down and ready to go. Now, if you want to get into the front seat, that's no problem. We can actually turn the person around and go in the front seat. And that's the beauty of this system, is that you move the boat back and forth to be in the appropriate position. So if you want to put the person straight into the driver's seat, you simply position the boat with respect to the hitch carrier, and you turn them around. You can put them directly into that area, provided you've got the clearance around the windshield here. Okay? So if I want to put the person in the left rear position on the port side, I simply pick up, turn, right down, and we're ready to go. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way that you want, where you want, in the boat you want, in the vehicle you want, go where you want to go, and do what you want to do. The hitch-mounted multi-lift for the marine application is just another way of expressing that philosophy. If you have more questions or you'd like some information, please contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. For social media, we're on all the major social media platforms. You can contact us on Instagram at @accessunlimited. We're on Twitter or X at @accessunlimited. Our Facebook page is facebook.com/accessun. We are on YouTube with over 4,000 videos now at youtube.com/accessun, or the old-fashioned way, give us a call. Contact us at 607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 615-873-0518. If you're calling from outside of the United States, please make sure to do a country code 1. Thank you very much for checking out our product, and we're going to have other videos in the notes field down below to show you more about this particular application of the Multi-Lift. This particular one happens to be a heavy-duty unit, but of course we make lots of different options and weight capacities. So learn all about that in the notes field down below and on our YouTube channel. Have a great day and enjoy your boating and fishing trip.